and you're not gonna say no more bad words, right?
No, I'm not gonna say no more.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Tirándolo para arriba para que baile cocotán. Bailame, ay, 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 ay. Bailame cocotán, brinca como Tarzán. Me encaramo arriba de ti, te como un plan. La bola se me un plan.
What do you got? Don't jump in. No, 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 no! Oh, no! Oh my God, you can swim. I'm so glad you can swim. Good job.
This is perfect. 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 Perfect.
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
What chocolate?
Oh, you poor thing.
Can someone please tell me why this is how my lab drinks water?
Que tú me tienes temblando de noche y de día. Tú me hiciste brujería.
Did you run away and have an adventure in the rain? Yeah, was it fun? Were you mad at me for leaving you outside? Yeah. I was mad at you because you didn't tell me where you went. Yeah. So we're both mad? Yeah. Okay, get it out. I'm getting out too. Because I love you so much.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
God, stop. Why are you? No. I don't care. I don't want to play. Stop. God. You want to get in trouble? You do?
You miss John? You do? I know. I'm sorry he's gone. He's on a work trip. Oh, he'll be back. He will. He will. Yes, he will.
Lenny. That's not your treats, baby.
Sorry. Can't have this.
But Daddy, pretty please. And my treats are up there.
Okay, calm down. Breathe. Look, there's a piece right there. You missed it. Golly. Here. Down there. It's on the floor. Golly, like a little alligator. Want one of these too, I guess? Okay. Here. Calm down. Calm down. There it is. It's right there. Okay, that's it. No more. That's it. Sorry.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me.
Don't you know who I am? Remember my name. Hey, I'm gonna live forever. High five. Too slow.
High five. High five. Too slow. High five. Come on. High five. High five. Come on, I won't do it. Come on. High five. High five. High five. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do.
Oh, I had no idea she's a woo girl.
Maverick, did you do this?
But the things they say make me feel like they don't think I can do this.
Was that you?
Because I'm gonna
Were you naughty? If you defluff your bed, you won't have one. I'm not buying another one. Are you sorry?
Today we're going to Dr. Mazarni's office. I've been watching what I eat in contact. But the balloons
I still love you, but that was naughty. Naughty boy.
and I'm because I have to have lost some weight. Otherwise, I don't think Dr. Mel is going to recruit my weight. Oh, I had no idea she's a woo girl.
They're off in the Kentucky Derby. And Summer is tomorrow, had a great start and goes immediately to the early lead. Messier is away running with speed. Crown Pride to the outside. Epicenter is going to be taken back a bit. Down toward the inside as Tapa goes up outside of Chargent. And farther out and close to the pace is Cyberknife. Then comes on the outside Zozos as they race by us for the first time.
Yay! Can you jump in the car? It's too tall.
Jump.
It's too tall.
Jump, jump, jump.
Oh!
Holy crap.
And I wanted you to know that by the way you saved me.
R.I.P. Devin.
Is that yours? Okay, I get it, I get it. cozy. You're just like your mama. What? Go ahead. Okay. Yeah, that's the one. Yes.